Hello everyone, welcome back to the 1 Minute Concept series. Today, we will deal with machine learning with deep learning concepts. Make sure to subscribe and let's get started.
Have you ever wondered how online platforms recommend products tailored to your preferences? It's machine learning at work. Algorithms provide personalized recommendations, enhancing your shopping experience and increasing customer satisfaction.
Autonomous vehicles are another exciting application of machine learning. Self-driving cars use deep learning algorithms to navigate our roads safely. Mainly, it helps in making transportation more efficient and reduces accidents.
If you're interested in getting started with machine learning, there are plenty of resources available for beginners. Online courses, communities, and machine learning competitions are great ways to explore. Remember, curiosity and persistence are key. Thanks for your watching and don't forget to subscribe to Creative Life. Keep learning, keep exploring.